Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today marks day 7 of the Advent Calendar series. These 12 days of glam have already been so very special, and y'all, it's about to get so much more special, so let's get into day number 7. Unlike other years, Madam Glam wanted us to do a large unboxing for anybody that wanted to join and potentially see what was inside the box before purchasing. So with that in mind, I got to find out a very wonderful surprise. There are 2 polishes out of these 12 days that actually are magnetic. And it does not say it on the bottle, so if you don't have the insider information, the magical secret, then you won't realize that behind this stunning polish called Sugarplum waits a magnificent surprise. The moment you wave your magnetic wand, the particle shifts are insane, and y'all, there's the most darling purple glitter underneath this polish. You do not need any special backgrounds for this to be everything. Now, throughout my lives and my videos, you might have been thinking the past month, what is that cat eye on her nails? It's this. Sugarplum, all the Sugarplum fairies were invoked for this magical polish. Please bear with me and stick to the end because the finish is so magical. But I am going to show you for certain steps multiple light sources because with cat eyes, the light source matters. You can be filming or using a certain light and it's almost like the polish looks dull or you can't see the magnetic shifts properly. But when getting the proper light source, all of a sudden it's like a new dimension opens up. You have like holy disco balls and all of the light. It's just so beautiful. So I do make sure to show with different light because the purple radiance that is built into this, it's almost like a chrome, how bright it is when you move back and forth, like an iridescent chrome. And I've got to say, out of all of the Advent days, this is by far one of my favorites. This Sugarplum is so dainty. I love that it has elements of the super cat eye, which is that silver glow, but the base is this beautiful purple that is straight out of my dreams. The moment I saw this, I was like, this has to be on my nails, and that's why I've been sporting it for the past month. But I will be doing my holiday mani, so make sure you have the bell notifications on so you don't miss that set because it is going to be so beautiful. I have had some time to brainstorm throughout this Advent calendar nail art extravaganza to kind of figure out exactly what set I wanted to do. Because with the holidays, there is so many things that you can do. And I haven't 100% if I want to do a pick and mix or go for a full fantasy, but every Christmas I try to do a very special set. And I've done full landscapes before, pine cone Frenchies, so I definitely want to do something new and fresh, but in the same aspect, capture the essence and magic of Christmas. Now, for anybody that's new to this series, or maybe today is your first video, a couple videos back, we did an in-depth tutorial on snowflakes. Now, this one, I am just going to zoom through and paint these gorgeous girls, because the focus of this nail art is a frosted fantasy. I want that feeling of icicles and frost. You know, on a really cold winter day, when you can see the frost on the window, that is really what I wanted to go for. So I did matte this nail, and y'all, I am freaking out at the dimension on this girl. Cat eyes are so interesting, And I think a lot of people sleep on the fact that they make very beautiful backgrounds matte. No matter what, matte or glossy, you're not going to be disappointed with the cat eye. But the velvet dreams I'm getting here is absolutely everything. Now, I did want to circle back to the magic of day number 7. I have to do a beautiful shout out to a nail sister named Gina, Miss Tomeworm. Oh my goodness, I can't thank her enough. Actually, during my live, she was the one that said, "Hey Raven, there's 2 cat eyes in there." And I ran to the website and looked, and I'm like, oh my gosh, but which one? So, though every single one of the packaging of each bottle was so in-depth detail, it had beautiful nail art inspo, there was not any of the typical writing you get with a cat eye polish, which it usually says magnetic polish. But nay, that was not on these bottles. So I have to say a huge thank you to Miss Gina, because let me tell you, Sugarplum was beautiful, but when I used Madam Glam's hexagonal magnet, whoo, my heart left my body. So much so that I had to wear it immediately for my following new set, and I didn't even want to put anything on it. I just wanted to stare at it. So I spent an entire almost month looking at this gorgeous color, and that's why I could not resist, and I really wanted to paint some delicate snowflakes and make it frosty and just have a really pretty scene that doesn't take away from this polish, but that adds to it, and I think that this really did the job. Now this flawless ombre I'm getting is with Nails by Nicole J Collection, her gradient brush. Whew, first of all, her liner brush and gradient I am so obsessed with. As you see, you can get such intricate line work, but also with this even pressure, do you see how amazing it's distributing the polish? Now this is the No Wipe White Gel UV paint. So though I've matted the design, I do not have to go in with a top coat because it's already built into this formula. And here you have it. This design is so stinking precious. And again, in a future video, I'm going to take out all of the nails that we've done so far and kind of show you how you can do pick and mixes, how you can incorporate different elements of the design to create a really fun holiday nail. And I was actually really curious, which one of the tutorials have you enjoyed the most so far? This definitely has been one of my favorites. Thank you for making this Advent Calendar series so very special. From the bottom of my heart and from my family to yours, I wish you the happiest holidays and the merriest of Christmases. Mwah! I'm sending so much love, and I cannot wait to come back tomorrow for day number 8. Y'all, we're rounding down, so please put your notification bells on so you don't miss the next days, because, spoiler alert, it's gonna be amazing. As I always say, do all things with love. And I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's video.